Thanks.
The one and the six together.
Made it. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Is this speeding right now?
You ready for the big game? Is it good? What's up? I'm on Ocean Drive in Miami Beach. I'm down here with the fam on vacation. I knew I wanted to come down here to check out some of the super cool neon light displays they have on some of the buildings, and it was very worth it. Although, sadly, I had to sit in the car for about 2 hours while it downpoured. I guess it rains in Miami like once a month, and I happened to hit it perfectly for this vacation. But either way, the rain moved out, and I was able to see some of the sights here at night. And I can't wait to check out the ocean, which is just over there, right there. Tomorrow, the next day, and the next day. It's gonna be super cool. I can't wait to grab some drone shots and chill on the beach. What's up, guys? I'm in Key Biscayne at the Lighthouse Beach. It's kind of a hidden treasure, it seems like, at a state park here in Florida, southern Florida, because there's not that many people, and there's some really great sights. There's a really old lighthouse. We were here earlier today to check it out, and then we left and we went out and checked out some of the sites at Miami Beach, and then we went to another beach. I don't remember the name, but we were there for 2 or 3 hours. It was super cool, but it wasn't quite as exclusive as this park and this beach. So we came back, and we're actually closing down the day here. As you can see, the sun's going down, and they're gonna kick us out of the park here in about 5 to 10 minutes because it's getting dark and they're closing down.
7 pounds, 10 pounds.
Oh, is it a boy or
Oh,
a
here you
girl?
go. You want to? Here, I got you something, man. Ready for this? This is a boy. Do not keep your fingers near him. It can take your finger off.
Oh my gosh, Dad, you baked him up.
Daddy woke him up.
He's so mad at you, Dad.
Yeah, he's probably hot.
If he chases us, just remember, guys, I'm pushing him down. That is usually going to be the best way to get away from an alligator. Now, normally an alligator should not mess with you. The only reason why an alligator will chase you is if it's been fed by somebody and you get too close to it. He crushes, it's top down, they slam shut. All the fat around the neck is muscle. At this size, it's 2,000 PSI. Once the alligator bites you, those gold
Oh my
teeth are not meant to let you go.
Finally made it to South Beach after a couple days of struggling to get here with parking and the crowds, because it's the most popular spot here in Miami Beach. So we finally made it after a couple of days at smaller beaches with less people. But this is super cool. There's some kind of race going on over there, and there's some obstacles set up out in the water out that way. Just a ton of people. We were here super early at about 8:30 or 9 a.m. this morning, and it was pretty sparse on the beach. I got the drone up, got some beauty shots of Miami Beach, and now it's starting to fill up. It's getting close to noon, starting to fill up. There's a lot of people here now. So, and this is the final day of vacation out here for the fam and I. So we're wrapping things up. It was an awesome trip. I think the fam had fun. They're over this way. And appreciate everyone who tagged along, watching the vlog. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, helps me out, and you'll get notified of future videos that are going to be coming out when they drop right away. So we'll see you guys in the next one.